Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Lisa needed a new phone. Her old phone was very slow. The battery also died quickly. She decided to go to an electronics store. The store was in the shopping center. Lisa walked into the store and looked around. There were many different smartphones on display. A salesperson came to help her. "Hello. How can I help you today?" he asked. "I'm looking for a new smartphone," Lisa said. "What features are important to you?" The salesperson asked. "I need a good camera and long battery life," she answered. "I also want to use social media apps," Lisa added. "What is your budget?" The salesperson asked. "I can spend about €500, Lisa replied. "I have some excellent options for you," the salesperson said. He showed her 3 different phones. "This one has the best camera," he explained. "It takes beautiful photos in low light." Lisa picked up the phone and looked at the screen. The screen is very bright and clear, she noticed. "Yes, it has the newest display technology," the salesperson said. "What about the second phone?" Lisa asked. "This one has the longest battery life," he said. "It can last 2 days without charging." "That sounds great," Lisa said, impressed. "And the third phone?" she asked. "This one is the best value for the price," he explained. "It has good features but costs less." Lisa thought about her decision carefully. "Can I try the camera on the first phone?" she asked. "Of course," the salesperson said. Lisa took a photo of the store. The picture looked amazing. "The colors are so beautiful," she said. "I think I want this one," Lisa decided. "Excellent choice." The salesperson smiled. "Would you like a protective case for it?" "Yes, please. I want to keep it safe," Lisa said. The salesperson added a blue case to her purchase. "The total is €520, he said. Lisa paid with her credit card. "Here is your receipt," the salesperson said. "Thank you for your help," Lisa said happily. Lisa left the store with her new smartphone, excited to use it.
Learn with LingoStories.app.